Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Nalini. I'm a child psychology educator and early learning educator. So I get a lot of DMs asking many doubts on right brain education. Even though there are many videos in YouTube and Instagram, I still get a lot of personalized questions from people who follow and people who are beginning with right brain education. So I have just made Ask Nalini Zeno as a custom, like a procedure where you can ask all the doubts regarding any particular topic in my Instagram, and I'm going to answer all of them in this YouTube video. So last Saturday I had a question box where I asked for whatever doubts you have with right brain education, you can ask that. So I received a lot of questions from parents, so I'm going to answer all of them in this video. So please watch this whole video so that you will get to know so many answers to so many questions that might be useful for you too. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Nalini Zeno, and you will get lots of information about baby activities, right brain education, baby play ideas, baby led weaning, and so many things. So every Saturday in my Instagram, I will be opening up a question box asking for questions that you might have with related to anything, and you can just ask me over there and all the answers will be answered in this YouTube video. So last Saturday we had in the Ask Me Nalini Zeno question box, we had invited questions for anything about right brain education, and I've received so many questions from so many of you guys. So today I'm gonna read out each of them and I'm gonna answer each of them. So the first question that I received is like, my baby is 8 months now. Can I start doing flashcards now? Will that be effective? Yeah, so for babies from 3 months you can start flashcards, and from 6 months you can start all the programs also. You can do all the right brain activities and right brain flashcards for your baby. It will be effective. It is effective. It is proven to be effective. So yeah, for 8 months you can definitely start now. Let's move on to the next question. The homemade storybooks, how often do you show? So for homemade reading books, when we start the reading program, we have to introduce them with sight words, single words, and then we will move on to couplets, and then 3 words in a sentence, small sentences, and then we will move on to books. But when we start doing couplets also, we can also introduce homemade books with them babies, so that they will be very much interested in watching the books rather than reading flashcards. When you have already been following me, you would have seen that I have already been telling a lot of times that picture cards are more interesting for children, but reading cards are not that much interested to children. So what you can do is you can make your own homemade books. So babies will love to read. Babies do love to read, and for reading program, homemade books can be started as early as possible. No need to wait until you complete sentences in flashcards, but you can start it right after you just get the flow of reading program, so you can start homemade books. So when you start homemade books, there is no particular timing or anything like that. Until your baby is more interested, you can show them the homemade books, and you can retire it after a while, and then typically speaking it will work like how a flashcard session looks like. So for homemade book also it is the same, but you can always repeat it back. You can also always revisit it back and help your baby to read. Okay, so the next question is, for 5 months baby we are unable to practice anything else other than flashcards. Please suggest. Okay, so for 5 months baby, what I would suggest is you can do alpha music. Alpha music, you need your child to be interactive in that. You just have to play it when they are in the room, so that it will go to their brain and it will automatically stimulate their right brain. And then you can do eye exercises. For eye exercises, I've already made a video. I have a description below, and also I will try to add it here. So you can do the eye exercises with any of the colorful toys or any rattles. These are simple right brain stimulation activities. Once your baby is able to sit, you might start with mandalas and all the other activities. The next question. Hi ma'am, baby is 21 months old. He knows some pictures names. If I show in words of pictures, he will get confused. Okay, so the babies has a very good auditory stimulation. Whatever we speak, that is also going and getting stored in their memory, so they will definitely know the words of few of the objects that we regularly use. So we can show them pictures of it, and we can even show them as reading cards. They will definitely be able to see and know that this is how it is being connected. For example, if you are showing a comb written in word card, they will know that this is written as comb. When you flash the cards by saying it is comb, they will definitely know that this is how comb is being written. And if you can show the object itself as comb, they will definitely associate, they will be able to associate that this is comb, this is how it is written. So it won't confuse your child. Question I have is how to start with 3 months old baby. For 3 months old baby, again, alpha music, eye exercises are the best things to start with. Until 3 months, you would have you can do visual stimulation cards, which are black and white high contrast images that you can do. After 3 months, you can give them bold pictures. If you doing reading program, you can print the words in dark bold red color, and also you can write also in red color marker with bold letters. If you are doing for picture cards bits program, you can show them a bigger picture so that they will be able to see it very good way. So 3 months is very easy to start with. Okay, again, hi sis, my baby is 32 months old. How can I start RBE? Again, you can do all the exercises that I have given in my YouTube videos: mandala, linking memory, eye exercises, alpha music, peg memory, and also you can do flashcards. In flashcards, you can start with bits program or a reading program or math program, whatever you want to like. Just try and see how what your baby likes, and just stick to it for a while until you get a flow, and then you will be able to get started from there. Best school with RBE in Chennai. In Chennai, we don't have any right brain education institution as of now, and also it is very much recommended to practice right brain education at home. The love of mother is the best love that you can ever give, and in right brain education, the love and bonding is the most valuable thing that you can give your children. You cannot teach your children, but you are supporting them in their learning ability. Okay, my baby is now 11 months, have not started any kind of education, going with flow. Please help. It's not a problem. You're not doing anything wrong. You don't need to pressurize yourself to start anything, but you can give them a lot of sensory activities. When you give them a sensory activities, maybe food also, if you allow them to eat by their hands, all their parts of the brains are getting stimulated. That is the best sensory activity that you can give for a 11-month-old. If you're giving a squeaky toys which produces sound when they press it, that is also one of the right brain stimulation activity that you're doing. So no need to feel worried, or no need to get pressure on yourself that you're not following any of the methods. But if you want to do, you can do it as simple as that. That is the whole idea. Next one is, sometimes I miss showing flashcards like a week and long if went to relatives home. Any tip on that? Consistency is the main thing here, because the babies are forming a routine. Okay, the babies thrive for a routine. They want a routine. If their routines are changed, if they have a different routines, they are showing tantrums. That is the main reason why babies throw tantrums, when their routines are messed up. So always follow a routine. Even if you're not able to carry all the flashcards to outstation, you can do clairvoyance, telepathy, mandala, eye exercises, alpha music. These are the simple right brain stimulation activities which you can do from anywhere. So just have a routine. You can do. You are not skipping your meals. You're not skipping bathing, brushing. Likewise, just do these activities also, one of the routine. That way you can easily do it. Don't pressurize yourself. If you're not happy, or if your baby is not happy, right brain education won't work. So don't get pressurized. Just go with the flow, and whatever you're able to do, just do it. That's all. There is no compulsion that you have to do everything on every day. It is not possible at all. So just go with the flow. Next question is, started words card for 2.5-year-olds. Can I show math dot card now, or how long after word cards? Okay, so if you are starting with one program, reading program or bits program or any program, just do it for at least 2 to 3 weeks to get the flow and the routine, and then you can start adding the another program. And also it depends on the child's interest. If child is more interested in the first week or second week itself, you can definitely add the other program immediately. So just follow your child, I would say. Up to what age we can do right brain education? This is a very good question. So basically all the babies who are born until they're 3 years of age, they are right brain dominant. They need stimulation then and there, otherwise they are right brain dominant by nature themselves. So once they cross 3 years, they are developing a left brain dominance. When the left brain gets the dominance, we usually ignore the abilities of right brain, and with our typical education system, our left brain is only getting stimulated all the way. So we are losing all the abilities of the right brain. That is the reason why this whole right brain education is started. Once we do stimulate all the right brain and left brain capabilities, the babies will be able to retain it for a longer period of time, and they can use their both the brains effectively for their lifetime. Okay, the next question is, hi dear, how to make word cards, like size of paper, color, font, etc. Okay, so when you start with your baby who is just completed 3 months or so, and for all the infants I would say you can use the color to be red, and then you can gradually move on to black, but initially red is the most preferred. And how much ever bold you can write as such. If you want me to show just one example, this is one of the example. So this is one of the examples. Okay, so this is how you do the word cards. Size of the paper is this is an A4 sheet cut into 2 in landscape wise. This is again a very frequent question that I get. So this is actually the A4 size. This is whatever I'm showing you is the A4 size, and what I do is I turn this landscape wise and I write 2 words or print 2 words and then cut them off. So this is the card that I've been using, and it's working for infants as well.